Well, I pulled out the actuator. Now, the one that I have someplace around here don't seem to be as heavy or as strong, nor are they the same size. And there's no way to adapt it. I mean, the plug isn't a problem, but the actual throw may be a problem. Yeah, this is a shorter throw. Okay. So those are not going to work. I really don't know. Turn this light on for a minute. Ow, I poke myself, why don't I? I normally don't do that. Why did I do that? Alright. Now, I really don't know if this is hanging up. I did notice that it wants to bounce back. This is not going to tell me what's what here. So let's start by doing this first, I guess. Okay, am I plugged in? I am. And these should not be, and they're not. Okay, so this is totally independent. Okay, come on. There we go. Oh. Why would those be connected? Anyway, see, that would tell me that one of these should be up and one should be down. But then or is it just reversing? Well, let's try. If I touch these together, it's probably going to spark. Okay. So that's on lock. And let's see what happens when I go to lock. Let's reverse it here. Okay, so that locks. Wait a minute now. This unlocks. So if the power is not shutting off, so this may be good. It could be just a relay. Because it's only this one that's not doing it all the way. So why is it this side is the side that's acting up? I gotta think about this for a minute. I should go see if there's a relay. I'm sure there's a relay. See, this is getting warm. $89. So I guess I'm gonna have to wait a second. See, this is still hot. It shouldn't be. It should be cooling down. So now we're up to 91. Yeah. Well, it shouldn't be getting hotter anyway because there's no voltage to it. So why would it be getting hotter? $91. $95. Yeah, that shouldn't be getting hotter. This has got to be it. There's something in there that grabbed the voltage, a capacitor or something like that, that charged. Until that capacitor stops charging, this thing is going to continue to get hot. Once that capacitor is empty, yeah, okay, so now it's starting to come down. Now we're down to 89, 89, 90. I wouldn't think a capacitor would hold that much. And is there a capacitor in there? I don't know. I'm not familiar with these at all. They either work or they don't, in my opinion. A capacitor, they look like little cans. And what they do is they hold voltage, they store voltage until you short them out or discharge them like a battery. And this should not be that hot. There's no voltage on it at all. And if there was a capacitor in there, it would not be holding that much voltage. To keep this thing warm for that length of time. It would have discharged by now. Now different parts is a little bit different as far as temp. We're averaging about 90. That should be cooling down much, much faster than what it is. So when I hit the power door locks, this is going to lock it. Now the way it's sitting in there, it's like this. So that would be on lock. No, that would be lock. That would be on lock. Lock. So that's lock. And once you take away your power, once you release it, that's where you're at. An awful lot of voltage on that. And then when you go to open it, you hit the open button, it just reverses the two through the relay and opens it. And then when you go to close it, it closes. Now they're all doing okay. Now the only thing that tells me, the only thing I don't like about this one is because it's hot. It shouldn't be hot. Now, if it wasn't for the heat, again, I'm just thinking out loud here because I'm not that familiar with this. I know what it does. I know how to hook it up, but I'm not familiar with this. I'm not going to pull it apart. It's all heat sealed. Oh, there are some screws here. Okay. But there's no reason why it should be staying hot like that, in my opinion, anyway. Yeah, 90, 92. I'm going to go out to the truck for a minute to see about a relay, if there's a relay somewhere in line that I can see and catch. I'll be right back.